Improved demand from around the world, and Europe in particular, continues to feed growth in the manufacturing supply chain. That's according to the EEF's quarterly manufacturing survey. Two-thirds of the UK's manufacturers see good prospects for growth in the European Union, with Asia and North America the next best markets. And the chair of the Environmental Audit Committee has released a letter to the UK's top 25 pension funds. Mary Craig is asking how they're managing the risks that climate change poses to pension